Hello children, hope all of you are safe and fine. Today we are continuing with the same chapter, long and short, and topic to be covered is standard unit to measure length. But before starting our topic, let us first watch the video carefully.
Buster, I've got a small gift for you.
Hey, gift! Wow, show me, show me!
Hey, here it is. A brand new collar for you. Should I tie it around your neck?
Yes, do it please.
I don't know. How can this be small? You always say that your collar measures 5 handspans. I measured handspans and got this. Look.
Let me measure it. See? It is shorter. It's just 4 handspans.
Hello, Amber. Hello, Buster. How are you? And why are you too sad?
Hello, Mr. Owl. Good to see you here. Amber got me this collar, but this is too small for me. Amber measured the size as 5 handspans. When I measured, it is 4 handspans. We are wondering, why is this happening?
That is because the size of your handspans and Amber's handspans are different. Amber's hands are smaller than yours, so his handspan is also smaller.
This means I can never buy a collar for Buster.
No, Amber. We can use standard units of measurement. Amber, see? My hand is bigger than yours. This means that my handspan is bigger than yours.
Yes.
Now, when I say that I want a cloth 3 handspans long, I'm talking about my handspan. If you get the cloth measuring your 3 handspans, it will be much shorter. Am I right?
Yes.
So, it is important to use standard units like centimeters to measure. Centimeter is one of the basic units we use for measurement. We write
So children, after watching the video, you must have aware that why do we need the standard unit. But first of all, let us first understand the meaning of standard. What do you mean by standard? Standard is something which is common and understandable to everyone. For example, if I am saying that my daughter is studying in class 1 and my friend's daughter is also studying in class 1. So, they both are studying in class 1. It means class 1 is standard to everyone. Similarly, even in measurement, standard need to be maintained so that everyone's measurement will be same irrespective of time, place or situation. Even scientists felt the same need, that is, everybody should have a standard unit of measurement, so that they came up with the concept of meter. As you see in the picture, this is a meter rod, and with the help of this meter rod, they measure the rod, and the length of this rod is named as meter, and this meter scale is kept in Paris. Length is standard for everybody around the world and follow it as 1 meter. They copied the length and make meter scale, which is same in the world, same in the whole world. So the distance between 2 marks, this and this, on the metal rod is the standard for length. Now, the multiple copies of the standard length are available around the world. Once we copy the metal rod, then the distance is also defined as 1 meter. As you see in the picture, children are making a copy of meter scale with the help of rope. Thus, the distance between two knots on the rope is equal to 1 meter. Now, some of the examples of objects which can be measured in meters are as follow. Now, first example is sari. You must have observed your mother wearing sari. It is measured in meter and the length of sari is around 5 meter. Second example is guitar, which is also measured in meter. Next is curtain. You must have observed curtain in your home. It is also measured in meters. Now there are some other instruments which are used to measure length. Some of them are, first one is scale. You must have observed it in your geometry box. Next is measuring tape. Some of you must have observed in your home. In spite of meter, there are some other unit to measure length are, first is centimeter, and symbol used to write the centimeter is cm. Centimeter is used to measure small object which is small in size. Now some of the examples of objects which can be measured in centimeters or cm are as follows. First example is pencil and it is measured in centimeter. All of you must have pencil. So as you see in the picture, to measure the pencil we have to start with 0, not with the initial position. Okay, then the measurement, as you see from the picture, the measurement of this pencil is about 11 centimeter. Now next example is key and paper clip. From the picture you must have observed that the measurement of key is about 5 centimeter and the paper clip is 3 centimeter. Next example is carat. Can you identify what is the measurement of carat in this picture? Yes, it is 9 centimeter. And you must be careful while measuring it. You have to start with 0. Now to measure the longer distance or the distance of the path on a road, we use kilometer and symbol used for kilometer is km. Some of the examples of objects which can be measured in kilometer or km are, first one is roads. Roads are measured in kilometer. Next is distance between Chandigarh and Jirakpur. The distance between Chandigarh and Jirakpur is about 3.8 kilometer and it is measured in km or kilometer. Now to measure the distance between Chandigarh and Delhi, we use the unit kilometer and the distance is about 256 kilometer. Now some of the standard unit of length and its symbol are, first meter, symbol used for meter is m. Next one is centimeter and symbol used for centimeter is cm. And the other one is kilometer and the symbol used for kilometer is km. Now there is some relation between meter and centimeter. The relation between meter and centimeter is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. When we count 100 centimeter, it means it is equal to or equivalent to 1 meter. If it is 200 centimeter, then it will be equal to 2 meter, and so on. Now, relation between meter and kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, or 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer, and so on. Oh my god, don't you surprised to see this picture? This is the picture of world's tallest man, who is about 257 centimeters, and other one is world's shortest man, who is about only 67 centimeters. Now let us summarize what we have learned in this session. First, we use ruler, metric scale and measuring tape to measure length according to the size of the object. Next one, ruler is used to measure length of small objects and unit used is centimeter or cm. Next one, length can be measured in centimeter, meters and kilometers. Next, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Next, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now, hope all of you understand why do we need standard units of measurement and units used to measure length of an object is centimeter, meter and kilometer according to the size of the object. Thank you.